There are few machines that can hold their own against the KTM 500 EXC-F 6 Days. Power, torque, unmatched handling, and pure four-stroke fury puts this enduro weapon in a class all of its own. Packing a 64 horsepower punch in an all-new frame, complete with closed-cartridge suspension, and an electronics package that puts its rivals to shame, the 2024 KTM 500 EXC-F 6 Days is ready to take on any challenge. LED headlight. The LED lighting unit provides 300% more illumination, making riding in the dark a completely new experience. On the right side of the handlebar, you'll find a new start-stop switch, and on the left, a new map select SWITC. Activate traction control, and the quickshifter function. Fuel tank. The transparent polythene XPE fuel tank is a signature element of the KTM Enduro lineup. Engine. This new 510cc 4-stroke, 1-cylinder, power 64 horsepower. All new electronically controlled. Clutch wet DDS multi-disc clutch. Air filter box. A new air filter box is designed with precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation and maintaining filter protection. Off-road control unit. An all-new off-road control unit, or OCU, under the seat replaces all the electronic fuses and relays. Selectable engine maps. Designed for easy operation, the newly developed map select switch comes standard on the KTM 6 Days models. Frame. All new gloss orange powder coated frame providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. Front suspension. All new 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge spring fork. New fork allows for full adjustment of compression and rebound. Rear shock. All new WPX-PLORPDS rear shock now takes charge at the rear. Wheels and tires. The KTM 500 EXC-F 6 Days rolls on a set of high-strength 6 Days branded giant alloy wheels coupled to CNC machined hubs and aluminum nipples. These are wrapped in a set of ultra-grippy Metzeler. Exhaust. Providing the bark to the KTM 500 EXC-F 6 Days bite, the exhaust system is designed to deliver hard-hitting performance at the lowest possible weight. Ergonomics. The 2024 KTM EXC-F range features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high-grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you.